Hi there, everyone. Sure hope you're all ready to greet this beautiful day with a smile and joy in your hearts. Let me share with you today a piece of antique furniture from the family called the Paragos or Asian cart. The Paragos is pulled by a horse and is made of sturdy wood taken from either the Nara or Molave tree, and even its wheels are carved therefrom. The Nara and Molave trees are great durable forest species that last through bumpy or rain-drenched pathways. In here, farmers load all their harvest, including coconuts, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Our dependable horse called Kidlak or Lightning used to pull the Paragos carefully from the farm to the nearby marketplace. Of course, the Paragos finds no more practical use today because it does bring happy and fond memories anyway of yesterday, right? The wooden carvings of a native farm couple which brings good harvest and abundance form part of the Paragos. On a serious note, as we recognize how times have changed, especially during this pandemic, let's all focus on solutions amidst the chaos and fear of the virus around us by preventing its spread. Let's keep safe at home and follow all health protocols. Bye for now. Love and light.